Lower 40s in the city, but we're taking a live look to the hot chocolate run. You can see some folks around. Yeah, they're wearing their warm weather clothes, that's for sure. But at least we're seeing a little sun peek through those high clouds. Can't really tell here in the live shot, but plenty of folks around. We got a shorts wearer there. Maybe she ran earlier this morning, and we'll continue to see a chilly start for our Sunday morning, but the afternoon looks great. These high clouds are just going to kind of mask the sunlight at times, and they'll become thicker throughout the day as we gather in some more clouds ahead of our next kind of weather maker, I should say, with a weak front moving through. But it's a moisture-starved front, so many of us remain rain-free, and we're only looking at a slight chance for a sprinkle out of that tonight. It's 40 in Columbus, as I had mentioned, but a lot of us in those upper 30s now, 40 for Mansfield, and we're in those upper 30s for Chillicothe. High pressure off to our east continues to get out of here, making way for more moisture to move in the form of thicker clouds. But it's this cold front that's moving through tonight into tomorrow morning that gives us about a 20% shot of an isolated sprinkle or two tonight into the early morning hours of Monday. That's about it. It's this area that we're going to be paying close attention to for an area of low pressure to move out of the southwest, bring us some rain, some wind, and then eventually some snow with some much colder air moving in from Canada later this week. Highs today are expected to top out near 60 in Columbus, Circleville 60, Chillicothe in the lower 60s, upper 50s for Logan, mid 50s for Lancaster, and the mid 50s for Marion and Marysville at 58 degrees. Tonight, much milder than where we're starting off right now. We'll fall only to the upper 40s, and that's because we'll have those clouds kind of act as a blanket like we saw the last couple of nights. But for tonight, we'll have more clouds around, and we'll stay in those 40s tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's highs a little bit warmer than today in those low 60s. And then here's what you need to know for Thursday. The rain is going to be moving in Tuesday and Wednesday, and then changing over or mixing with some snow Wednesday night into the days on Thursday. Windy conditions, gusts up to say 40 miles per hour are possible. But the good thing is we're going into this first snow with very warm days. I mean, we're going to be well into the 60s come Tuesday with some wet weather at times. Wednesday actually looks a little drier to me. We'll have a little bit of rain in the morning, and then it looks like a lot of that will be Columbus eastward for later in the day for some showers. And then as that colder air transitions in Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we start to see that snow that you see here in blue mix in. And I'm not sure if we're going to transition all over to snow for all of us through the day on Thursday. I think we'll still have some mix here and there, see a little bit of some snow at times, see a little bit of some rain mix in. But all in all, Thursday is your weather impact day. So just be prepared for some slow traffic all day long, and especially Thursday night as we fall down to those lower 30s into Friday morning. We'll get back up into the 40s Friday afternoon.